What's up, Faithpreneurs? Stephanie Mays here with SMays Designs with your brand in mind, and today is Web Wednesday, which means I'll be sharing insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers. So today's Web Wednesday topic is call to action, or CTA. A call to action is an element on your website that prompts site visitors to take a particular action. Now, this is a marketing technique used to signify the next step that you want a site visitor to take when they visit a page and view the content. Now, a call to action will always be in the form of either a button or a text hyperlink. And a couple examples are click here, buy now, join, or even subscribe or download your free copy today. Now, this type of wording creates a sense of urgency, and an effective call to action will always be coupled with persuasive writing. So when you include a call to action on your website, you also want to make sure you include information that creates a sense of urgency and excitement. You want to give your visitors a reason why they need to take action right now, and you want to create the sense of an opportunity that you're giving them that they just cannot afford to miss out on. Then you want to follow up with the call to action button or link that leads them to the next step in taking advantage of that opportunity. So here's a quick example. If you enjoyed and found value in today's episode of Web Wednesday, make sure to like and share, and also leave a comment below if you have any questions that you want me to address in the next episode of Web Wednesday. And most of all, if you don't want to miss out on any more of this content that's going to help to leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers, which leads to more leads, which leads to more sales, which leads to more revenue, make sure to subscribe to the page and to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Be blessed.